Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to start a new course known as Coding with Python. I am Ashwin Unithan, and today we're going to take a brief dive into Python, its applications, its future, and why it's so important in today's society. Now, setting that aside, let's get on with the video, guys. Now, you might be wondering, what is Python? Well, you might have heard of what Python really is. It's a programming language. However, specifically, Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. Focus on the key points: object-oriented and interpreted. We will go into more depth of what those terms mean in a later video. Python is so important and so easily used in today's society because it has easy-to-read syntax and simple implementation into many operating systems and platforms. Other than that, Python is also free and open source, so you can get it without paying for it, and you can collaborate with many different programmers to produce a project and don't even have to put it under a specific license. Python also has high-level built-in data structures that allows us to create applications very easily and very fast. So, the creator of Python. Python was created by creator Guido van Rossum at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. Guido envisioned Python as a successor to its predecessor known as the ABC programming language. And the first version of Python was released in 1991 and was followed up by Python 1.0 in 1994 with more enhanced features and capabilities. Now, depending on what application you want to use Python for, there's many different reasons why you would choose Python compared to other languages like Java, C++, and HTML. But these are the 5 main reasons why people readily choose Python. First, it's a very beginner-friendly language. If you want to pursue programming and is thinking about a fresh start into programming, you would want to choose Python. Second, it has a great variety of applications. Python can be used for many different things to create many different projects that we will get into more detail in the next slide. Number 3, it has easy to read syntax. Python's syntax resembles the English language, so when you begin coding with Python, you can easily understand another person's code. 4, Python is accessible to many different platforms and operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, and many others. Finally, Python's syntax is very productive compared to other programming languages. What does that mean? Well, compared to other programming languages, Python can complete a simple task with fewer lines of code. Therefore, it's very productive compared to other languages. Now, there are many applications for Python as I discussed before, but these are the 5 main applications of Python. First and foremost major is data analysis. The data analysis industry for Python is booming in recent years, and it will continue to do so as technological advancements continue. Python is also used for other major applications such as machine learning and data science. Next up, Python is also used for web development and mathematical operations. Mathematical operations is a major part of why people choose to use Python, because Python can easily integrate mathematical operations and solve them with ease, with no implementation issues and not that much of code. Python is also used for software development and system scripting. Now, Python compared to other languages. How does it fit in? Well, Python compared to other languages like Java or C++, it has greater readability because its syntax is easy to understand. Also, each command in Python is separated by new lines instead of semicolons or parentheses in other languages. Also, Python the language itself relies on white space indentation to define the scope of loops, functions, classes, and other commands. Now let's look at a very simple Python code, the print statement. Print hello world. Now, the print is a function, and what print does is that it prints anything that is given in its brackets, depending on which Python version you use. Now here, we gave hello world in its brackets, and it's enclosed by quotes. And this type of variable is known as a string, and we will get into more detail about functions and strings in a later video. Now if you put this in your Python launcher and click run, you will get the following result. Hello world displayed on your screen or Python launcher. That's the main function of the print statement. Now, print statement can print any type of variable. It can print string, it can print an integer or whole number, it can print a float or a decimal number, it can print a list, it can print a tuple, and it can also print Boolean, and many others. There's actually not a limit to what print cannot print. It can print so many variables, excluding some minor variables. But all important variables can be printed using the print statement. And it's a very common and very important function that is used by almost every program in Python. This is the end of the introduction. In the next video, we will discuss various Python data types. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming videos. Bye-bye.